California and Canada, November 2024. It's beginning to feel a lot like winter, with major storm after major storm starting to bring snow to good chunks of North America. Plus, more and more ski resorts are opening every weekend. In both Oregon and California, tonight through Friday, November 22nd, could bring a whole lot more snow to the ground. Meanwhile, in California, winter weather will be bringing heavy snowfall to some mountain locations through the evening of Friday, November 22nd. Amounts above 4,500 feet could range from 10 to 20 inches, with additional accumulation from 3,500 feet and down to 3,000 feet in Shasta County reaching 5 to 10 inches. By Thursday, snow levels will have likely increased to 7,000 to 8,000 feet. Chain controls and traffic delays are possible during the winter weather. Difficult travel is possible, and as with any winter weather driving, drivers should consider bringing along chains and an emergency winter kit with warm clothing, a charged cell phone, and a shovel.
Yeah, powder.
In Canada, a snowfall warning is in effect for southern Alberta, including the city of Calgary. This is the first warning of the season for the region, with drivers being urged to adjust to the quickly changing and deteriorating travel conditions. There is significant impact on rush hour traffic in urban areas, said Environment and Climate Change Canada in the warning. A weak, compact low-pressure system developed in Alberta overnight and has been bringing snow to Calgary and surrounding areas through the pre-dawn hours on Monday. Before sunrise, 3 centimeters had already fallen. Snowfall will be quite heavy through the morning commute, lingering into the afternoon, with a few flakes still falling in the evening as well. Between 5 to 15 centimeters of snow is forecast throughout Calgary, with even heavier totals falling to the west of the city, and upwards of 20 centimeters expected. It is possible for the forecast to increase, and for some areas to see even heavier totals, but it will be dependent on convective bands setting up over the region.